Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're stepping into the magic of the autumn equinox, a sacred turning point in the year where day and night are perfectly balanced. This moment is all about harmony, gratitude, and letting go of what no longer serves us. In this video I'll share the spiritual meaning of the autumn equinox, its themes and energies, practical ways you can celebrate, and I'll guide you through a powerful manifestation ritual to align with the season. So if you've been craving balance, reflection, and a fresh start, this is for you. The autumn equinox usually happens around September 22nd or 23rd in the northern hemisphere. It is one of only 2 days in the year where day and night are equal in length. From this point forward, the nights begin to grow longer, leading us into the darker half of the year. But this shift isn't just about the weather, it's deeply symbolic. The equinox reminds us that balance is essential. We can't live in constant summer energy, always busy, always achieving, always moving forward. We also need the slower pace of autumn and winter to rest, reflect, and renew. Spiritually, this is the time of the harvest, not just of crops, but of intentions. The seeds we planted earlier in the year, back in the spring and summer, have grown. Now we pause to gather the lessons, blessings, and abundance that we've received before preparing for the stillness of winter. It's also a powerful reminder of cycles, light and dark, growth and release, beginnings and endings. The autumn equinox brings with it 3 key energies which we can tune into. The first one is balance. Just as light and dark are equal, this is your invitation to check in with your own life. Where are you out of alignment? Maybe your work and rest aren't balanced. Maybe you're giving too much of yourself to others and not enough to your own needs. This is your chance to realign. Second one is gratitude and harvest. This is traditionally harvest season. Spiritually, it's about recognizing the fruits of your efforts. What have you manifested so far this year? What lessons have shaped you? Take time to celebrate your growth. It's easy to focus on what we haven't achieved, but this is about honoring what has blossomed. And finally, release and let go. Just as trees release their leaves, we're being called to shed our old layers, whether that's limiting beliefs, habits that drained you, or even physical clutter. This makes space for the new intentions you'll set as we approach the winter and the coming year. Now, let's talk about how you can honor this beautiful seasonal moment. You don't need anything fancy. You can create a ritual with what you already have. So here are some other. First, a gratitude practice. Write down 10 things you're grateful for. Focus especially on what has unfolded since the spring. This could be big milestones or simple everyday blessings. You could do a release ritual. Write down what you're ready to release on a piece of paper. This could be self-doubt, procrastination, fear, toxic energy. Then safely burn it or tear it into small pieces as a symbol of letting go. You could create a seasonal altar. Bring the season into your home. Use autumn leaves, apples, pumpkins, or warm colored candles. Crystals like citrine or a smoky quartz can align beautifully with the equinox energy. Spend time in nature. Go for a mindful walk and notice the shifting of the colors, the crisp air, the falling leaves. Reflect on how nature embraces change effortlessly, reminding us that letting go is natural and beautiful. Try to balance your energy. Try yoga, breathwork, or meditation. Even something as simple as balancing your daily routine, making sure you're not overworking or carving out more time for joy, can honor the season. Now I'd love to guide you through a short but powerful equinox ritual. You can grab a candle and your journal. If not, simply listen and follow along with intention. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Imagine roots growing from your body into the earth, grounding you in this season of change. Feel safe, supported, and connected. Once you've opened your eyes, open your journal and write down at least 5 things you're grateful for. Focus on what you've harvested, projects completed, lessons learned, or inner growth. Let gratitude fill your heart. On another page, write down the things you are ready to release. This could be fear, negative habits, or even situations that drain your energy. As you write, visualize these things leaving your body, like leaves falling gently from a tree. With space now cleared, write down 3 intentions for the rest of the year. These should be written in the present tense as if they're already true. For example, instead of saying, "I want more peace," write, "I am living in peace and balance every day." Place your hand over your heart and repeat, "I honor the balance of light and dark within me. I release what no longer serves me, and I welcome abundance, harmony, and peace into this new season." Blow out your candle and feel your intentions sealed with gratitude. And that is your autumn equinox ritual. Remember, this is a season of balance, gratitude, and release. Let yourself move with nature's rhythm. Celebrate what you've grown. Let go of what weighs you down, and step into this new season with clarity and intention. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss future rituals and manifestation practices. And if you'd like to go deeper, I have created an autumn equinox manifestation ritual kit. You'll find the link in the description down below. Thank you for spending this sacred time with me, and may this equinox bring you balance, peace, and abundance. Until next time, bye guys.